Roof replacement and roof repair are two very different services for your home. Replacement is when the entire roof replaces with a new one, while a repair works on specific parts. Replacement is a much more extensive project than repair and is usually more expensive. Replacement is needed if the roof is severely damaged or requires replacement for aesthetic reasons. Thinking about whether to repair or replace your roof, there are pros and cons to consider. Here's a summary of the main points to help you decide. Replacing your roof is generally more expensive than repairing it, but it also offers more long-term benefits. A new roof will last longer and provide better protection against the elements, saving you money on energy bills and repairs down the road. Roof repair is typically less expensive and much more quickly than replacement. However, roof replacement is a significant project that can disrupt your home and schedule. And if your roof is only slightly damaged, repair may be the wiser choice. Suppose you are looking for roofing in Elk Grove. You can contact Rancho Cordova roofing professionals to help you choose between roof replacement and repair. We can provide a thorough inspection to identify your roof's needs.